Hello, welcome to my test of Telus Pure Fiber and Shaw Fiber Plus. Let's jump right into it. In my building, as you can see, we have Telus Pure Fiber. They've recently installed fiber across our entire apartment. Those little white boxes you see on top of the doors, those are their fiber connector that it can use to run lines into your apartment. This is mine. They run a really tiny fiber line that goes from that box on the outside of the door right down to wherever your system is going to be set. So they have mine installed like this, and it goes down to that box. They no longer use the existing telephone line that used to be in the home. This took a lot of time. It took them months to run everything in our apartment, and it's been really great. So I thought I'll test it, even though I currently, at the time, had Shaw Fiber Plus internet. So they came in and installed this, and as you can see, they have the entire setup. This is their router. The one in the box in the back there, that box in the back is their modem, and then you connect that to this router, and then it gives you internet in the entire house. That router is like a booster that will give you Wi-Fi 6, and this is their cable box. So it was a full package. I just wanted to test it to see how it was, because I had the service before. It wasn't that great when they used this existing telephone line in the house, which was really slow. They were connecting by DSL. And this is Shaw. This is what Shaw currently has. Shaw does not have the fiber line that Telus has. They distribute their fiber to the apartment and then connect it to the existing coaxial system in our walls. And then it connects to their Wi-Fi 6 system. This is the Wi-Fi 6 router, the XB7 you get from Shaw Internet. And it is great. It does work really well. I've had this for about 2.5 years now, and it's been really great. But I thought I'll test Shaw, Telus that is, and this is Shaw's cable box. It's a really tiny box that connects it connects wirelessly to their system, and it works also really well. So let's jump right into the test. As you can see, I'm going to start with the Telus internet. This is Telus. Telus promises you a 1 gig upstream and 1 gig downstream. So we're going to be testing that. And I have to say, spoilers, I wouldn't want to waste your time in this video. That promise is fully delivered. This is over Wi-Fi, by the way. This is Telus over Wi-Fi, and there are other devices connected alongside. We are getting that promise 1 gigabyte right here. And the upstream is also really decent. And again, as you can see there, we're gonna switch to show you Shaw. This is Shaw struggling, so it really does. But with a little caveat there, I have a ton more devices. Since this is my existing system, I have a ton more devices connected to the Shaw system. Their download is not the best, it's not the greatest, and their upstream is really terrible. Their upload speed, as you can see there, that's where we're at. You can't get anything better than that. We're going to run a few more of these tests. As you can see, another short test going in the back there. I did my best to notate. You can see the Shaw and then it tells us in the picture. This is what I get with Shaw, and it's not the greatest speed. Even though this is over Wi-Fi and I have other devices connected, still, someday this is better. I've been able to get up to 800. I'm pretty sure I'm going to put a slide here with the 800 that I got. But Shaw isn't really doing the best. They are struggling to get you that 1 gigabyte fiber plus the promise. And we're going to throw in another test again. This time is going over that 600. It's going to go as far as 800 in some of the tests that I run. So Either way, it's still good. It's decent speed. It's over Wi-Fi and it's approaching that 1 gigabyte speed they promise. So it isn't that bad, but the upload speed is just nowhere near what Telus offers. Telus is symmetrical up and down, and the speed is just wonderful. Another one here, we're gonna run another Telus just so you guys can see those numbers again. This is Telus coming in really high. This is decent internet. There's no if, ands, and parts about this one. Look at that upload speed. It is flying, almost catching up to the download speed. This is over Wi-Fi. Again, take that with a caveat. This is over Wi-Fi. If I tested this with Ethernet connection to a laptop, I would be getting the exact advertised speed. And this is just wonderful news. I'm so happy they've come back and installed PO fiber in the apartment. They are no longer going by the existing coaxial DSL line we had here before, which was just terrible. This is what we now have, and I'm pleased to say Telus is doing great. These are the numbers I'm getting from Shaw. So I want to say thanks for watching. If you're hunting for an internet out there, make a wise choice. But the numbers are not all to it. You might have to make some decisions when it comes to the value you're getting from it, the cost attached to these numbers. They might sway you in another direction. But again, thanks for watching. That's what I can do for now. Bye bye.